Hello guys, I'm come back after a long time. So today I show you how you can improve your video Insta360 Studio. So now I already open Insta360. So this is the panel, video panel, library panel. You can choose any video. For example, if I click over there, there is showing many Insta360 videos. And this one before I capture with Insta camera. Now if you want to improve, like auto improve, how you can. So if you click this media processing button, then there will be enable this panel right side. There will be many option like color optimization, screen processing, color. So for example, if you want to auto correction, then you should just click on this switch. If you enable, then it will be improve the video. You see, if I enable, let's say like this. But if you want to more adjust, then you can just use this feature. Then you can improve your color grading as you want. You see, look like that. After that, then you can just export according to your video resolution. You can import export 360, also regular video. Then also you can mention the resolution, then you can export. So that's it. Thanks for the watching this video, and please share this video and comment if you like this video. Thanks for the watching. Bye bye.